How to use Etsy Plus subscription feature. To use the Etsy's Plus subscription features, first of all, you have to subscribe to Etsy Plus. So go ahead and launch the official Etsy application on your device or simply open any web browser of your choice, then head to Etsy.com. Once you're here, all you have to do is now go ahead and then navigate to the Shop Manager dashboard. From there, go ahead and click on the setting gear icon and select your subscription option and review the terms for Etsy Plus and simply click subscribe. Once you do this, you simply have to redeem your monthly bonus credits. You will automatically receive 15 free listing credits added to your account each month. And you will also receive $5 Etsy ads bonus credit. You simply have to go to the Shop Manager and head to Marketing, then go to Etsy Ads to ensure your campaigns are active so the credit can offset your daily advertising clicks. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.